Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to convert Atomic Credit to Maya. So let's start. The option one is using the Atomic card. So you have to log in to your Maya app and then tap cash in and select debit or credit card. Then just choose your Atomic card or manually enter its details and enter the amount you want to transfer and complete the transaction. Also, the other way, the option 2 is transferring from your Atome savings accounts. So you have to log into the Atome app and then go to your Atome savings accounts management page and transfer. Enter the transfer amount and select Maya Philippines Inc. Maya Wallet as the destination. Provide your 11-digit mobile number registered to Maya as the account number, and then you have to follow the remaining prompts to complete the transfer. As you can see, one of these options can help you to convert Atome Credit to Maya. It's very easy. You only have to follow this step without any problem and you will get it. In Maya Wallet, you can check if the transaction was successful, and that's it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us thumbs up to this video.